Alright, here we go. I'm headed out the front door, about to take out this trash. Show everybody at home what it's looking like. Out the front door. Let me move the shit out the way. This the front porch. This everywhere else. This the side of the crib. This the street. You can't really tell, but you can see as the power lines right here, you can tell that the street right here. So alright, now I'm about to take a walk all the way down here where the trash can at. What I gotta do every day. Look at this shit. Damn, it's cold out here. As you can see, everything is white. Nah, for y'all that think it's a game, show y'all how hot all this shit is. Alright. Dang. This is a garbage can. As you can see, I can't even walk to this motherfucker. Damn, just bust my ass almost. This shit motherfucking frozen shut. Headed back. Big ass snow piles right here. See how high this shit is? This is a fence right here. This is a fence. Now you see how high the motherfucking snow done got? Damn near over the fence. Next door neighbor crib right here. In front of my house. Oh, this our crib right here. This is my crib right here, right here. Y'all check it out, check it out. Okay, 2-story upstairs, downstairs. These people down here plowing their stuff, I really can't. Wow. Side of the crib. Down the street, everything white. I'm about to head back in cause freezing my ass off. You know, I'm gonna walk a little further down so y'all can see what's going on. Right now I'm walking on the street. Yep, this is the street, so you can't really tell because the whole shit snowed up. Yeah, this is what it's looking like right here. It's for real. Cars riding by. Yeah. Boy, I give anything to be where y'all boys at right now. Being stuck in all this, look how high this shit is. I don't think y'all can really tell. Y'all can't really see. But alright, this is the side of a fence right here. Now the fence tall as shit. and this is the snow. As you can tell on the side of the snow. See how much the shit done. Yeah, it's crazy. Cars riding by and shit. People still driving in the street. Can't even tell. Trees all white. Never seen no shit like this ever. My crib. Neighbors across the street. Now look at this shit. This is the neighbors across the street from me, and it's still snowing out here. Completely covered. Look at the tree. I'm taking my ass back inside because I can't feel my face or my hands. So, signing off. Shard, T-Boy, Tenito, Theo, whoever watching this shit, well, y'all boys lucky, man. Going in the crib. Oh, boy. Hold on. Let me show y'all my porch. Just the porch right here. I ain't plowing shit, so look at this. Shit crazy. Can't even tell if I'm stepping on steps of snow. I'm out.